Hello, I'm Emily. I have a position at the R&D department at Industrilas. And today I'll take you on a guided tour showing you the basics of our Klima-Flex system for HVAC applications. At Industrilas we recognize that mounting a latch system in a sandwich construction presents unique challenges. Problems like water ingress, stability of assembly, compressing the door skins, thin sheet metal that needs to take up big forces, all drive the need for cutting-edge latch technology. This is the Klima-Flex handle. It addresses all these challenges in one complete system. The handle can accommodate a wide variety of locks and tool-operated inserts. On the inside, you can combine any Klima-Flex handle with a single roller cam, multiple roller cams for big doors, inside security handle, or a safety catch for personal safety in out-swing door applications. All Klima-Flex solutions provide the compression needed for HVAC solutions. The Klima-Flex system is your best choice when designing HVAC system. One latch system solves all your potential latch configurations. And don't forget to log on to our website to learn more about our products.